Or we driving it through? Wolf Street. We are on Easton Road. There is the Olive Garden.
We are going to see our old house.
Stop it now.